Hi, my name is Carl, and today I'm going to show you how to make a house with pistons in Minecraft. It's great to know how to do this because you can add a lot of great features like doors that open and close with a lever or a button, and also staircases that are hidden that open up when you flip a switch. So what I've done in the game here is I've created a simple door using redstone and a lever and sticky pistons in order to activate a door to open and close in the game simply by flipping the lever. So when people come up to the house here and they flip this lever, it will open the door using this redstone to power the lever and to power the piston. Just like that. Now I'm going to show you how a hidden staircase works. So as I enter this large room, everything looks normal until you get close to this wall over here. And what I've done is I've actually placed the lever, and I have a hidden staircase that goes up to the roof of the house or the castle. So if I right click on this lever, it activates redstone behind the wall and it extends multiple pistons to open up a staircase, just like this. It also opens up the ceiling so that you can access the roof, and when the staircase is retracted, then it also closes off the ceiling. So if I come up here up the staircase and show you outside, you can see how I've arranged the redstone to work. So down here at the bottom is where the lever is on the opposite side of the wall. If I break this block here, you'll be able to see it. There's the lever, and it powers all of these sticky pistons all the way up the side of the castle and all the way to the roof. My name is Carl, and I just showed you how to make a house using pistons in Minecraft. I hope that gets your creativity going and you can have fun with that in the game.